Are you ready to take charge of your finances and unlock the secrets to financial success? Well, you're in the right place. Join us as we dive into the world of personal finance, offering practical advice, expert insights, and actionable tips to help you build wealth, achieve your goals, and live life on your terms. Get ready to transform your financial future starting right here, right now. What is financial learning? Financial learning is the process of acquiring knowledge and skills related to managing money effectively. It encompasses understanding various financial concepts such as budgeting, investing, saving, and retirement planning, and applying this knowledge to make informed decisions about personal finances. In today's complex financial landscape, where individuals are faced with an array of financial choices and challenges, financial learning plays a crucial role in empowering people to navigate their financial lives successfully. It equips individuals with the tools they need to take control of their finances, make wise financial decisions, and achieve their financial goals. At its core, financial learning involves understanding the fundamentals of money management, including concepts like income, expenses, budgeting, saving, debt management, and investing. It also encompasses gaining insights into broader financial principles, such as risk management, asset allocation, diversification, and the time value of money. Why is financial learning needed? Financial learning is indispensable for personal empowerment and financial success. It equips individuals with the knowledge and skills needed to navigate complex financial decisions and achieve their goals. Whether saving for retirement, building wealth, or managing day-to-day expenses, a solid understanding of financial principles is essential. By investing in financial education, individuals can take control of their financial futures and build a more secure and prosperous tomorrow. Personal empowerment. Financial learning is essential for personal empowerment because it gives individuals the knowledge and skills they need to take control of their financial lives. When people understand how to manage their money effectively, they feel more confident and empowered to make financial decisions that align with their goals and values. Financial literacy enables individuals to create a solid financial foundation, avoid common financial pitfalls, and build a brighter financial future for themselves and their families. Goal achievement. Financial learning is crucial for achieving financial goals because it provides individuals with the tools and strategies they need to set realistic goals and develop actionable plans to achieve them. Whether it's saving for a down payment on a home, paying off debt, starting a business, or planning for retirement, financial literacy enables individuals to identify their priorities, allocate their resources effectively, and stay on track to achieve their goals. Financial security. Financial learning is vital for financial security because it helps individuals to protect themselves against unexpected financial setbacks and emergencies. When people understand how to manage their money wisely, they are better prepared to handle unexpected expenses, cope with economic downturns, and weather financial storms. Financial literacy enables individuals to build a safety net of savings, manage debt responsibly, and safeguard their financial future. Wealth building. Financial learning is instrumental in wealth building because it provides individuals with the knowledge and skills they need to grow their assets and create long-term wealth. When people understand how to invest wisely, manage risk effectively, and harness the power of compounding, they can build a diversified investment portfolio that generates wealth over time. Financial literacy enables individuals to take advantage of opportunities for growth and achieve financial independence. Retirement planning. Financial learning is essential for retirement planning because it helps individuals to prepare for their financial needs in retirement and ensure a comfortable and secure retirement lifestyle. When people understand how to calculate their retirement needs, choose appropriate retirement accounts, and develop strategies for saving and investing for retirement, they can enjoy peace of mind knowing that they are prepared for life after work. Financial literacy enables individuals to make informed decisions about when to retire, how much to save, and how to manage their retirement income. Economic preparation. Financial learning is critical for economic preparation because it helps individuals to adapt to changing economic conditions, navigate financial challenges, and seize opportunities for growth. When people understand how to manage their money effectively, they are better prepared to cope with economic uncertainty, job transitions, and market fluctuations. Financial literacy enables individuals to make smart financial decisions that position them for success in an ever-changing economy. How to make a budget. Creating a budget involves a straightforward process to manage finances effectively. Begin by calculating your total income and listing all expenses, both fixed and variable. Track your spending regularly to understand where your money goes. Set financial goals, allocate your income accordingly, and prioritize essential expenses. Stay disciplined by adhering to your budget and adjusting it as needed. With diligence and careful planning, a well-crafted budget can help you achieve your financial objectives and build a secure financial future. Determine your income. The first step in creating a budget is to determine your total income. This includes all sources of income, such as wages, salaries, bonuses, freelance earnings, and any other sources of revenue. It's essential to have a clear understanding of how much money you have coming in each month to create an accurate budget. List your expenses. Once you've determined your income, the next step is to list all of your expenses. This includes both fixed expenses, such as rent or mortgage payments, utilities, insurance premiums, and loan payments, as well as variable expenses, such as groceries, dining out, entertainment, and discretionary spending. Be sure to account for all of your expenses to get a comprehensive view of your financial obligations. Track your spending. Tracking your spending is a crucial part of budgeting because it helps you understand where your money is going and identify areas where you can cut back or save. Keep track of every purchase, whether it's a cup of coffee or a major purchase, using a budgeting app, spreadsheet, or pen and paper. Review your spending regularly to identify patterns and areas for improvement. Set financial goals. Once you have a clear picture of your income and expenses, it's time to set financial goals. Determine what you want to achieve with your money, whether it's paying off debt, saving for a vacation, buying a home, or investing for retirement. Set both short-term and long-term goals that are specific, measurable, achievable, relevant, and time-bound. Smart. Allocate your income. Allocate your income to different categories based on your expenses and financial goals. Start by covering essential expenses, such as housing, utilities, food, and transportation. Then allocate funds for savings, debt repayment, and discretionary spending. Be sure to prioritize your financial goals and allocate enough funds to achieve them. Stay disciplined. Sticking to your budget requires discipline and commitment. Avoid impulse purchases and unnecessary expenses, and stay focused on your financial goals. Use strategies like the envelope method or automated transfers to stay on track with your budget. Remember that every dollar you save brings you closer to achieving your financial goals. Celebrate progress. Finally, celebrate your progress and accomplishments along the way. Whether it's reaching a savings milestone, paying off a debt, or sticking to your budget for a month, take the time to acknowledge your achievements and reward yourself for your hard work. Celebrating progress can help motivate you to stay on track with your budget and continue working towards your financial goals. How to invest and grow your money. Investing and growing your money involves setting clear financial goals, assessing your risk tolerance, and educating yourself about different investment options. Diversify your portfolio across various asset classes to minimize risk, and start investing early to take advantage of compounding. Make regular contributions to your investments, review your portfolio periodically, and stay informed about market trends. By following these steps, you can build a resilient investment strategy that helps you achieve your financial objectives and secure your future. Set financial goals. Before you start investing, it's essential to set clear financial goals. Determine what you want to achieve with your investments, whether it's saving for retirement, buying a home, funding your children's education, or building wealth for the future. Setting specific, measurable, and achievable goals will provide direction for your investment strategy. Assess your risk tolerance. Understanding your risk tolerance is crucial for building an investment portfolio that aligns with your financial goals and comfort level. Assess how much risk you are willing to take with your investments and consider factors such as your investment timeline, financial situation, and emotional capacity to tolerate market fluctuations. Educate yourself. Investing wisely requires knowledge and understanding of financial markets, investment products, and investment strategies. Take the time to educate yourself about different investment options, such as stocks, bonds, mutual funds, exchange-traded funds, ETFs, and real estate. Learn about investment principles like diversification, asset allocation, and risk management to make informed decisions. Build a diversified portfolio. Diversification is a fundamental principle of investing that involves spreading your investments across different asset classes, industries, and geographical regions to reduce risk. Build a diversified portfolio that includes a mix of stocks, bonds, and other asset classes based on your risk tolerance, investment goals, and time horizon. This will help minimize the impact of market volatility and improve your chances of achieving consistent returns. Start investing early. The power of compounding is one of the most potent forces in investing. Start investing as early as possible to take advantage of compounding and maximize your investment returns over time. Even small contributions made regularly can grow significantly over the long term thanks to the effects of compounding. Invest regularly. Consistency is key to successful investing. Make regular contributions to your investment portfolio, whether it's monthly, quarterly, or annually, to harness the benefits of dollar-cost averaging and maintain discipline. Investing regularly helps smooth out market fluctuations and build wealth over time through consistent contributions and reinvested dividends. Review and rebalance. Regularly review your investment portfolio to ensure it remains aligned with your financial goals, risk tolerance, and investment strategy. Rebalance your portfolio periodically to realign your asset allocation and maintain diversification. Adjust your investment holdings as needed based on changes in your financial situation, market conditions, and investment objectives. Stay informed. Stay abreast of market developments, economic trends, and regulatory changes that may affect your investments. Keep yourself informed by reading financial news, following market updates, and staying in touch with financial advisors or investment professionals. Being knowledgeable about the factors that influence investment performance will help you make informed decisions and stay on track with your investment strategy. How to save for retirement. Saving for retirement is essential for securing your financial future. Start by setting clear retirement goals and estimating your retirement expenses. Begin saving as early as possible to take advantage of compounding and maximize contributions to retirement accounts like 401(k)s or IRAs. Automate your savings to stay consistent, invest wisely, and diversify your portfolio to minimize risk. Reduce expenses where possible and plan for healthcare costs in retirement. Set retirement goals. Start by determining your retirement goals, including the age at which you plan to retire and the lifestyle you envision for your retirement years. Calculate your retirement needs. Estimate how much money you'll need to fund your retirement lifestyle. Consider factors such as living expenses, healthcare costs, travel expenses, and any other expenses you anticipate during retirement. Start saving early. The earlier you start saving for retirement, the better. Take advantage of the power of compounding by starting to save as soon as possible. Contribute to retirement accounts. Take advantage of retirement savings vehicles such as employer-sponsored retirement plans and individual retirement accounts. Contribute regularly to these accounts to benefit from tax advantages and employer matches. Automate your savings. Make saving for retirement a priority by automating your contributions to retirement accounts. Set up automatic transfers from your paycheck or bank account to your retirement accounts to ensure consistent saving habits. Invest wisely. Choose appropriate investment options within your retirement accounts based on your risk tolerance, investment objectives, and time horizon. Consider factors such as asset allocation, diversification, and investment fees when selecting investments. Reduce expenses. Identify areas where you can cut expenses and redirect those savings towards your retirement fund. Plan for healthcare costs. Factor in healthcare expenses when planning for retirement, as healthcare costs can be a significant expense in retirement. Consider purchasing long-term care insurance to help mitigate potential healthcare costs later in life. Explore options such as health savings accounts to save for healthcare expenses tax efficiently. Be proactive about managing your healthcare costs to ensure they don't derail your retirement plans. Thank you for joining us. We hope you enjoyed today's video and gained valuable insights into mastering your finances. Be sure to hit that subscribe button and turn on notifications so you never miss out on our latest content.